2012 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power passenger seat, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.